Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. If you are new here, welcome, and thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, give me the thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. I think it's about time that I do a series of videos on AHAs and BHAs. And today, one of the brands that I want to talk about is by Societe. This brand called Societe. I've done a few videos of Societe's products. I will list them down below. I think this is my third product for Societe. I love a lot of their products. Societe is a French brand, so all the products are made in France, and they are all very good products. So this one here I decided to try is their Clearskin boosting pads. Again, this is a chemical peel pad or AHA, BHA pad. I'm just going to open and let you see what's inside. It's in a tub like this, and you open. It's got a little plastic lid here just to keep the product from drying out. And inside, you get this peel pad. So I'm down to only about 10-20 pads left. And inside, you get this little soft cotton pads like this. This one is really nice to use. It's not too papery. This one is a cotton pad, so it's quite stretchable. And what I do is, when you come out of the shower, just slightly dry your face. It doesn't have to be completely dry. And I'll just wipe this all over my face. I mean, there's plenty of liquid here to go all over your neck, décolleté. I even put it all over the back of my hands, my arms, yeah, until it's completely dried out. So that's what I do. So this one here by Societe, it doesn't tell me the percentage of the acids, what percentage of the salicylic acid, which is BHA, or the percentage of the glycolic lactic mandelic acids, which is your AHA, alpha hydroxy acid. So I presume this is low strength, and I do find it low strength because the ones that I've been using for a while, which is the Dr. Dennis Gross alpha beta peel, with that, when I use it straight away, I see a glow and a clarity on my skin. It's what really cleared my heavily pigmented skin. My skin was full of dark spot or age spot. Yeah, I had a huge giant patch of pigmented skin and go all the way up to my cheekbones here. Yeah, it was looking so bad. And with the help of AHAs, BHAs, and vitamin C, niacinamide, my skin has just cleared up a lot. This one does a little bit of that, not a lot. There are 60 pads in here, and this is $120 that I purchased from Adore Beauty Australia. So if I use 2 a week, I'm looking at 30 weeks, which means this can last me easily for 6 months. I just don't find it very strong. I don't find it strong enough. My skin is pretty used to AHAs actually, so I don't find this pad strong enough. So personally, I won't be repurchasing this because I find it low strength. But if you are first-time users to AHA and BHA, this is an excellent product. Very easy to use. The only thing is you must wear a sunscreen after you use your AHAs or BHAs because your skin is more exposed. Yeah, I mean, you should apply a sunscreen that is 50 plus, SPF 50 plus anyway, every day. But anyway, this is my review today of this product. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so, consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.